of you have seen this leaked Mavic 3 review video? It's just all over the internet. But still, I didn't find anyone who did a review of what this unfortunate guy said in his video. Probably not so many people understand Chinese, but I happen to know this language quite well.
我媳妇不让，你说可费劲了。
没事，我回头帮你劝劝嫂子。
哦，那感情好。
I'm sorry, man. That bag is every man's dream bag. My wife is not allowing me to ride too because I don't have that bag. Anyway, for the sake of this video being taken down by YouTube, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I'm always the guy who does the fresh tech products reviews or leak the product reviews first. About the specs, I guess you've already known them more or less from all kinds of leaks recently, like 46 minutes of battery life, micro four thirds 20 megapixel CMOS main sensor, 5.1K 60 fps, and 4K 120 fps D-Log supporting, a 15 kilometers max range each razor. So let's start with something new. First, of course, is the dual lens. There is an independent telephoto lens above the main camera, which equals 162mm focal length, but only supports a max of 4K 30 fps and in automatic mode. You cannot adjust parameters like ISO, EV or something. Though it looks less promising, this fellow said it's fun to use this lens for shooting some cool and ultra-wide angle selfie videos, like you can let the drone take off from your car and let it stay somewhere you want and then drive towards it, each razor. Since this drone has 360-degree all-direction obstacle sensing, you really don't need to worry about crashing. Also, this telephoto lens supports 2x, 4x, 14x, and 28x digital zoom. But as you can see, the longer the length, the softer the footage gets. So you better use 5.1K resolution or 7x optic zoom as the main camera. Second is the unbeatable battery life. The capacity has updated from the 3,850 mAh on the Mavic 2 to 5,000 mAh, which the official claims will give you a max of 46 minutes of flying time. Though in real life, the time you are using for shooting won't be that long because the drone taking off, return to home, landing, etc. But 30 minutes of video shooting would not be a thing. The battery was redesigned. The power key lies at the back instead of the top on the previous batteries, and for the first time DJI puts a Type-C port on its charger, and it takes about 75 minutes to charge from 0 to 100%. Third is the drone comes with ND feeders. He also mentioned the new returning to home algorithm, the collection speed with your controller, which is much faster, and the longer FPV range. But you may also want to know if there are any disadvantages. This fellow has mentioned that too. He's worried about the fisheye lenses as they are protruding, especially those two lenses lie at the bottom. You have to know it's only 2 centimeters from the ground when it's landed. Also, he didn't find a good solution to use the polarizers properly since it has 2 cameras. Alright, that's the video and the first look. For more, let's wait until DJI releases this drone 3 days later. Hope DJI will bring more surprises. And lastly, I really hope this poor fellow's wife can let him ride that bike. That's a really cool bike. I'm Sammy and I will see you in the next one.